Good day, everybody. This is going to be a quick series of tutorials on how to buy Eagle Vision's token, how to provide their LPs, and finally, how to stake them. The first thing we're going to do is buy the token. So what you're going to do is you go to Coin, Market Cap, or CoinGecko, whichever you prefer. We are listed in both. Searching for Eagle Vision, EVI. Make sure it's EVI. And please, guys, be careful out there. There are many scammers in this space, so always go to official sites like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or you can just see the official Telegram group of Eagle Vision, which you also can see it here in community or chat. So there are two places where you can buy EVI, Eagle Vision's token. The first place is Eagle Vision's swap, Eagleswap. So you go to Eagleswap, and as you can see, my wallet is already connected. Go to exchange, and as you can see here, I have already bought 194.34 EVI. And the second place you can buy the token is at Pancakeswap. Connect your wallet here again. Go to trade now. So in order for you to get the official and the legitimate contract address, there are two ways you can do that. If you're as lazy as me, you can just simply go to Telegram, type in here /contract, and the bot will verify the contract for you. You can copy that and paste it right here. Or you can just go to CoinMarketCap and copy the contract address from here and paste it here. There you go. You can see EVI token over here. Buy with how much ever you would like. In this case, I will go for another 0.01. In PancakeSwap, it takes time to find the liquidity, so you gotta be patient and just wait for it to show up. Yes, there you go. That was quick. So confirm swap, and we bought another 194 tokens. And there you go, guys. So I'm going to send another tutorial on how to stake them, how to provide the LPs, and how to stake Eagle Vision's token.